Hi, welcome to MasterGraphics Question Corner. My name is Gene Call. And recently I received a question from Atlanta, Georgia saying, Gene, what is the benefit of the Air Manager for my S5 3D printer? And it's a great question. I get asked this question quite a bit actually. And the Air Manager serves several functions. One, it keeps dust out of the build chamber area, ensures that the print cores are flowing properly and the fans are working properly. Two, it comes with a HEPA filter. Some of the third-party filaments can give off an odor, and this just keeps the odor out of the office environment. The third one is it keeps the build chamber a consistent temperature, which is important to ensure good quality parts that you're printing. The fourth one is an important one too. The Air Manager is required for printing 3D metal, especially using the BASF metal filament. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-873-7238, or you can email your questions to me at gene.call@mastergraphics.com. Thanks and have a great day.